Hi students, good morning to all. Hope you all are safe at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to see class 7, term 1, chapter 2 measurements, exercise 2.3. Fine. Yes, in this exercise 2.3 we are going to learn the next four-sided closed figure which is nothing but the trapezium. Yes, trapezium. This is trapezium, okay, four-sided closed figure, and you can see the structure of the trapezium, and here this A and B, that is the side AB and CD, is the side which is said to be parallel. Okay, so I have denoted with this thing. This is nothing but the parallel lines. Okay, so AB is parallel to DC. This symbol represent parallel to. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. It is a mathematical statement. Okay, so here this line and this lines are seems to be the parallel lines. Okay, so distance I have named it as B, the distance I have named it as, that is the length of the CD has been named as A and the length of AB has been named as B. Okay, the distance between the parallel lines is said to be the height. Okay, I have denoted it with H. Clear? So now you'll be having a doubt, what is parallel? Okay, the lines which distance between those two lines seems to be same till the end is said to be parallel lines. That means those lines won't intersect at any point. They won't meet each other at any point, or they won't touch each other at any point. Okay, when you check it off, this, when you draw this line, it will go straight, and this line goes straight. They won't meet at any point. That is said to be parallel. So these lines are said to be the parallel lines. Clear? Now we'll go with the definition. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. Okay, so you know what is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is nothing but opposite sides are parallel and equal. But here it is a structure, it is again a parallelogram, but this parallelogram, it has one pair of non-parallel sides. So this is one pair which is parallel, and this pair is non-parallel. So they are representing that when a parallelogram has one of their sides as non-parallel lines, then that figure is nothing but the trapezium. Clear? So here in trapezium, AB will be parallel to DC and AD is not parallel to CB. Clear? Yes. Next, we'll move on to isosceles trapezium. Okay, the same trapezium, but in this isosceles trapezium, we'll be having parallel lines. One of the pair will be parallel line, and the other pair will be a non-parallel lines. Okay, non-parallel sides. Those sides will have the same length. For example, you know that AB is parallel to CD. Clear? At the same time, this AD and this CB won't be parallel. They won't be parallel because they can intersect. If you extend this, they can intersect here. Therefore, they are not the parallel line. Clear? But one thing, they have the same measure. If you measure with the scale, you can see this is also 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, or this may be 6 centimeter, this may be. So when you measure, both the length of the sides will be equal. In such case, we can call that trapezium as isosceles trapezium. So AD will be equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. The definition goes in this way. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that is AD is equal to CB, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Clear? Okay, fine. Next, area of the trapezium. Next, we are going to learn about the area of the trapezium. You are sure, you are clear with this trapezium figure, and this is the diagonal. Now, as we have the distance between two parallel lines, these parallel lines is nothing but the height. You are clear, right? So the distance between the parallel lines is said to be height. The same way here also the distance between the parallel lines will be height. So with this concept only, they have derived that area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. So therefore area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. This bracket represent multiplication, where h is the distance between the parallel sides. Okay, this is the parallel side. The distance between them is said to be h, and a and b are the length of the parallel lines. Okay, so from the point a to b, the length is said to be b, and the length between c and d is said to be a. Clear? Yes. Now we'll move on to the exercise 2.3. This exercise fully meant with trapezium. Clear? The first question, find the missing values. So as we seen in all the exercise of the second chapter, they'll be giving few of the measures, and they will be giving some of the measures, any one of the measures unknown. The same way here, find the missing values. First, height h is equal to 10 meter. Parallel side, one of the parallel side is a 12 meter and the other parallel side is b 20 meter. Now they are asking us to find the area, because here area is unknown. Now as per the formula, we know that area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Clear? So in this exercise you should be very clear the area with the formula of the area of a trapezium. If you are clear with the formula of the area of a trapezium, you just want to substitute the values, respective values in the respective places. That's it. If you subtract it, you can be clear that you can solve the problem and get the correct answer. Clear? So now here area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Yes. So half as it is, h they have given in the question as 10, and a it's 12 and b it's 20. Substitute that. When you substitute half as it is 10, 12 plus 20 it's 32. So now I am dividing it with 1 2 is 2, 16 2s are 32, or else you can go with 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. But why I went with this is, if we multiply, we can multiply easily with 10. Therefore I have simplified. 1 2 is 2, 16 2s are 32. Now 10 into 16 is 160 meter square. Therefore the area of the given question is nothing but 160 meter square. Always don't forget to highlight the answer. Clear? Okay. So now the answer is 10 into 16 meter square, which is nothing but a is equal to 160 meter square. Shall we move on to the second question? Yes, second question. Height h is equal to unknown. Parallel side a is equal to 13 centimeter. Parallel side b is equal to 28 centimeter. Area is equal to 492 square centimeter, or you can call it as what? Centimeter square. Okay. So now here in the question, h we don't know, but a, b and area has been given. So we'll move on to the solution. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Okay. So in the question they have given the area, so we substituted 492 is equal to half into h. A is 13, b is 28. So 492 half as it is, that is 1 by 2 as it is, h as it is, 13 plus 28 is 41. Now you should be clear that left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side a number is there. In the right hand side we have 2 at the denominator. When it go to the left hand side, that is to the other side, it becomes numerator. That is, whatever seems to be in the left hand side or right hand side down, when it goes to the other part, it will go to the up. Okay, the same way, what are the numbers are present in the up, when it go to the other side, it comes down. The same way, numerator will go to the denominator and denominator will goes to the numerator. Have it in your mind. Now I am going to take this 2 to the other side. So now it is down, that is in the denominator. When it go to the other side, it becomes numerator. Okay, that is into 2 by 41 is in the numerator. When it go to the other side, it becomes denominator. It comes down. Now multiply this 492 into 2. 492 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So now we got it as 984. Now we have to divide it by 41. So shall we start dividing? Okay, 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 2 4s are 8. So now subtract it. So 9 minus 8 it is 1, and 8 minus 2 it is 6, and take this 4 down. So now we'll go with the 4 table. 4 1 is 4, 4 4s are 16. Therefore the answer is 24. Therefore h is equal to 24 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Next, we'll move on to the third question. Height h is equal to 19 meter. Parallel side A is equal to question mark, which is nothing but the unknown. Parallel side B is 16 meter. Area A is equal to 323 square meter. Now we will go with the solution. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Just substitute the values wherever required. Okay, area of the trapezium in the question they have given us 323. Substituted half 1 by 2 as it is. H it is has been given as 19, and A we don't know, B it is 16. Now we have substituted all the values in the respective places. Now as I said, whatever in the other side, if it is in the numerator, then it comes to the denominator. If it is in the denominator, it comes to the numerator. So in the right hand side, 2 is in the denominator. So when it go to the other side, it becomes numerator. The same way 19 is in the numerator. When it go to the other side, it becomes denominator. Okay, remaining a plus 16 as it is. So we'll need to multiply 323 into 2. 323, just listen here, 323 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 3 2s are 6. Therefore the value is 646. Now we have to divide that 646 by 19. So now we are going to divide 19 3 times. 3 9s are 27, 7 here, 2 reminder, again 1 3 is 3 plus 2 5. Okay, now subtract it. Take the borrow 1 from here, 14. So 14 minus 7 it is 7. Take that 6 down. So 4 times of 9 is 36, remainder 3. 1 4 is 4 plus 3 7. 76 0, remainder 0. Therefore the answer is 34. But here it doesn't stop. In the right hand side we have an unknown and as well as a constant. Take that constant to the other side. So 34 plus 16, when it goes to the other side it becomes minus 16. 34 minus 16 is equal to A. Therefore A is equal to 18 meter. That means the parallel side A is equal to 18 meter. Clear? Okay, we'll move on to the fourth question. Fourth question, height is 16 centimeter. Parallel side has been given as A, 15 centimeter. Parallel side B, here it is unknown, and area it is 360 square centimeter. Solution. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Okay, we know the value of area, it is 360, and 1 by 2 as it is. Height it has been given in the question as 16 centimeter, and A is 15 centimeter and B as it is. Now 360 as it is. When you simplify this, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, and here 15 plus B as it is. Now 8 it is in the numerator. When it goes to the other side it becomes denominator. Okay, so 360 divided by 8, 15 plus B as it is. Now I am going to divide 360 by 8. So 8 4s are 32, 6 minus 2 is 4, take that 0 down, 5 8s are 40. Therefore the remainder is 0. Now the value, when you divide 360 by 8, you are getting 45. Clear? So now 15 is in the right hand side. When we take it to the other side, plus 15 becomes minus 15. 45 minus 15 is equal to 30 centimeter. Therefore the parallel side B is equal to 30 centimeter. I think you are clear? Yes. Next, second question, find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. While I'll explain the definition of the trapezium, I said that if the distance between both the parallel lines is nothing but the height. Clear? The distance between the parallel lines. Okay, this is the distance. So the distance between the parallel lines is said to be the height in trapezium. Therefore, from the question we are clear that the distance between them is 15 centimeter. Therefore, this 15 centimeter represent height. Okay, so now check here, height is 15. One of the parallel side which is biggest is A, and the other parallel side which is named as B. So from the figure we are clear that height is 15 centimeter, A is 24 centimeter, B is 20 centimeter. Clear? Now we'll move on to the solution. Area of the trapezium is half into h into A plus B square units. Substitute all the values in the respective places. 1 by 2 into h 15 and A 24, B 20. So again 1 by 2 into 15, 24 plus 20 is 44 centimeter square. Now simplify, 1 2 is 2, 22 2s are 44. So 15 into 22 centimeter square, which is nothing but when we multiply we are getting 15 into 22, 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. The same way 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 1 2 is 2 plus 1 3. So we got the answer as 330 centimeter square. Thus, the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter is 330 centimeter square. Here you should be very clear that whenever the question is in the format of a word problem, you should represent the answer with the statement. Clear? Yes. Third question, the area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. So from the question we are clear that area A is nothing but 1586, and the next statement, distance between its parallel side, it represents the height. Therefore 26 centimeter is nothing but the height, and one of the parallel side you can take A or B. I am going to take it as A. Okay, so now we'll move on to the solution. They are asking the value, the other side is nothing but B, so B is here said to be the unknown. Clear? Given. Okay, these are the things which we have in the question. So height h is equal to 26 centimeter, area A is equal to 1586 square centimeter, or we can tell it, you can write it as centimeter square. So one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter and the other side we need to find. Since we know the formula of the area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into A plus B square units, students, we are repeating this formula again and again, so you should be clear with the formula. Area of the trapezium is nothing but half into h into A plus B square units. Now substitute all the values in the respective places. So area we know we know that it is 1586, and 1 by 2 into h is 26 and A is 84 plus B as it is. Simplify, 1 2 is 2, 13 2s are 26. Now what you are going to do in the next step is take this common number 13 to the other side. So since it is in the numerator, when it goes to the other side, it comes at the denominator. So 113 is 13. You can divide it, 1586 divided by 13. 1 times of 13 is 13. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Take 8 down. So 2 times of 13 is 3 2s are 6 and 1 2 is 2. Again the remainder is 2. Bring that 6 to down and again multiply it with 2, you will be getting 26. Therefore the remainder is 0. Therefore the answer for 1586 divided by 13 is 122. And take the remaining number and put it here, 84 plus B. So now take that 84 to the other side. When we take it to the other side, it becomes 122 minus 84 is equal to B. Therefore B is equal to 38 centimeter. Thus the other side is 38 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Okay students, I am sure that you are clear with the questions which I discussed today. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you once again. Bye. Subscribe my channel Max with Sumati. If you really interested in watching my videos, don't forget to touch the bell icon. If you touch the bell icon, you can get the notification whenever I post the videos in the YouTube. Clear? And thank you once more. Have a nice day. Bye.